In this video, we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for the Tennessee Promise Scholarship. When you are ready to apply, you will visit TNPromise.gov. This will take you to the College for TN website where you will find the options to either create or sign in to your TSAC student portal. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be taken to this homepage. This is the login page for your TSAC student portal. If you have created a username or password previously, you can type in that information and log in. Likewise, if you have forgotten your login information, you have the option to reset your username and password. But for most of you, this will be your first time you have signed in, and therefore you will select Create an Account. When creating your TSAC student portal account, be sure to take your time and ensure all of your personal information is spelled correctly and accurate. Certain information is required in order to create your account, so be sure to read the instructions and fill everything out in its entirety. You will be asked to come up with a username and password. Please make sure you save this information in a safe and secure place so that you are able to access your TSAC student portal at a later time. Once you are sure all of your information is correct and everything is filled out, you will scroll down and select 3 different challenge questions. These questions will be used when you are signing in on a new device or in the case of having to reset your username or password. Therefore, it is important to choose questions that do not change and you are confident in the answer. For example, the state you were born in. Finally, you will be asked to select a personal image. This image will appear when you sign into your TSAC student portal as a way to make sure you are signing into the correct account. Once you have made your selection, acknowledge the terms and conditions and select Create an Account. You will receive a notice that your account was successfully made. Click OK. Now it's time to sign in to your TSAC student portal and fill out the Tennessee Promise application. Type in your username and password and click Login. You will see your personal image you selected on your creation of your TSAC student portal. Click Yes, that's my image. Next, you will be taken to your financial aid summary. In the upper left-hand corner, you will see the word Apply. When you click Apply, you will be taken to a list of different scholarships. Toward the bottom of the list, you will see the Tennessee Promise Scholarship for the 2026-2027 academic year. Once you have selected the scholarship, you will be taken to the application. You will find that some of your personal information is automatically applied. Fill in the remaining required information. Again, please take your time when filling out your application to ensure everything is spelled correctly and accurate. About halfway through the application, you will be asked to select a college or university. Please note that only schools that accept the Tennessee Promise Scholarship will be listed here. If you are unsure if you plan to use the Tennessee Promise Scholarship, please simply select a local college. You can always change your selection later. Last but not least, you will be asked to select your student type. This is where you will indicate what type of high school you attend. As you can see, you have 3 options: high school, homeschool, GED, or HiSET. Select which option best describes you and then select your high school if applicable. Finally, you will be asked when you will graduate high school. Most of you will have a May 2026 date. However, if you are graduating high school early, please be sure to indicate your accurate graduation month and year. After indicating your high school graduation date, please read the certification statement and select Continue. You will then be taken to a page thanking you for completing your Tennessee Promise Scholarship application. You will be given the option to either print or close out of the application. Once you have closed out of the application, click View Summary. Here you will see your Tennessee Promise Scholarship application and the application status as Application Received. You will also receive an email confirmation to the email listed on your TSAC student portal.